Hello everyone around the world, this is Chris Presents. I'm in Streeterville in downtown Chicago, and we're gonna do a walking video in the rain. This is probably gonna be a 10-minute video. So I'm starting the video on Pearson Street. I got a real big umbrella, so you may see it every now and then in the video. It's just the rain is coming down and it's cold. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels a little bit colder. And then this is Pearson Street, and this is Lakeshore Park, and that's Northwestern University Professional Medical Schools and law school and business school right over there. So it's about 6:15 a.m. on Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. I'll show you the area here. This is Streeterville. Sure, let's go back this way on Pearson Street. I'll probably get on the street for two reasons. We'll get a better view on the street, and then the other reason is the sidewalk is full of water. I'm kind of soaked. So this is Pearson Street right here, and we're walking west on Pearson Street. I'm about to approach Pearson and DeWitt Place. And yeah, let's just stay on Pearson Street. This is the area where I live and work. It's called Streeterville. The zip code is 60611 in Chicago, Illinois. And I'm on my way to work right now. So I like to take advantage of that when there are special occasions like rain. Take a video, show you what's going on. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video if you're watching the video on YouTube. If you're watching the video on a different social media platform, just go to youtube.com/Chris Presents, KRZNTZ, and subscribe over there. Alright, beautiful day. The reason I say beautiful day, even if it's raining or snowing or any kind of bad condition, is because we get beautiful footage. That's when I say beautiful day. Beautiful footage. It's actually comfortable. I'm not cold. Even if it's cold, I'm wearing a lot of layers. And believe it or not, it's May. It's Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022, and the time is about 6:15 a.m. So that's the Ritz-Carlton Hotel there. And then this is Seneca Park over there. And then this is the Lewis Children's Hospital over there. And now I'm in front of the Museum of Contemporary Art to see what's going on. Others. No idea what that means, but it says others. Alright, if anybody knows what that means, let me know. I'm sure it's an upcoming exhibition. That's what it says for now, others. And this is not an accident. We're in front of the Museum of Contemporary Art right here, one of the best contemporary art museums in the world. And actually, I'm going to show you some of the high-rises here. This is Water Tower Place Residencies. Goes all the way up in the sky. More high-rises there. And We're gonna go towards Chicago Avenue. We're gonna make this a 8 to 10 minute video because I'm going to work and it's pouring rain. I just wanted to give you a taste of what's going on this morning in Chicago. And then we'll go this way. I'm just gonna cross the street. I'm waiting for the light. In the meantime, I want to show you Chicago Avenue right over there. Beautiful, beautiful city. Looks calm and peaceful so early in the morning. Not too many people around. Just waiting for the light. We got the green light. This is Chicago Avenue. And let's see what we can go. We can go. We can go this way. Why not? This is so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut through here like a shortcut. This is the Lewis Children's Hospital of Chicago and the Prentice Women's Hospital of Northwestern on the left. So I'm just going to go right through there. There's no traffic at the moment. Not too many cars. Everybody's indoors or inside their cars because of the rain. I'm the only one so far on the street. Somebody walking their dog over there. And this is the Northwestern Medical Complex, the hospital, and all the other buildings here. We're in Streeterville. And now we're going on Superior Street. We'll try to cross. We'll go right this way. Yeah, let's go this way. Let's go west on Superior Street. We got all the sidewalk by ourselves. And that's a famous pizzeria I'm about to show you, the Gino's East Pizzeria in Streeterville on Superior Street. Very well-known pizzeria. I ate there many, many times. And there's a lot of hotels over here as well in Streeterville. It is also a residential neighborhood, high-rise residential neighborhood for the most. And then also restaurants, bars, hotels. There's a hotel right here, Chicago Hotel Collection. I want to show you, there you go, Gino's East Pizzeria right over there. The original since 1966, it says. Alright, and then we're crossing the street on Superior Street, and we're on Superior and Sinclair. Again, it's raining. And we're going to be ending the video pretty soon. I'm just going to walk a little bit on Sinclair Street in the rain. Yeah, it's kind of cold for Chicago in May. The temperature is supposed to be 65 degrees in May, early May, but it's 40. So it's 20 degrees Fahrenheit less than normal. But I don't feel it because I'm wearing layers, got my umbrella, got my raincoat, and I'm all good. Alright, and this is Sinclair and Huron Street. Alright, we're going to be ending the video right now. This is going to be a 10-minute video, not here on street. And thank you everybody for watching. Appreciate it. Take care.